Question 1. What is the primary goal of using multi-step reasoning prompts with Claude AI, particularly in an agentic development context? Option A. To bypass Claude's internal reasoning capabilities and directly generate a final answer. Option B. To reduce the number of tokens processed, making interactions more cost-effective. Option C. To guide the model through sequential thought processes to tackle complex problems, enhancing accuracy and reliability. Option D. To simplify the problem-solving process by restricting Claude to single, atomic tasks. The correct answer is, quote, to guide the model through sequential thought processes to tackle complex problems, enhancing accuracy and reliability. Here's the explanation. The overview states, multi-step reasoning involves guiding the model through a series of logical steps, allowing it to break down intricate tasks into smaller, more manageable subproblems, reducing the likelihood of errors, hallucinations, and superficial responses. Question 2. Which of the following is a key feature of multi-step reasoning, enabling Claude to interact with external systems or data sources? Option A. Exclusive reliance on internal knowledge without external data. Option B. A fixed, predefined output format that cannot be changed. Option C. Tool use orchestration, for deciding when and how to invoke external tools and integrate their results. Option D. Single-shot problem solving, where all information is processed at once. The correct answer is tool use orchestration, for deciding when and how to invoke external tools and integrate their results. Here's the explanation. The key features components, section lists, tool use orchestration as crucial for deciding when and how to invoke external tools, e.g., APIs, databases, code interpreters, and how to integrate their results. Question 3. In the how it works description of multi-step reasoning, what happens during the sequential execution phase when a step requires external information? Option A. Claude terminates the process, indicating it cannot proceed. Option B. Claude automatically generates the required information internally without external calls. Option C. Claude formulates a precise tool call, specifying the tool name and necessary parameters. Option D. Claude requests a human operator to manually provide the missing data. The correct answer is Claude formulates a precise tool call, specifying the tool name and necessary parameters. Here's the explanation. The how it works section states, for each step, it generates an intermediate output, or critically, a tool call. If a step requires external information or computation, Claude formulates a precise tool invocation. Question 4. Which of the following is *not times a primary goal of prompt optimization techniques when working with Claude AI in agentic development? Option A. To improve the quality and reliability of Claude's outputs. Option B. To reduce the likelihood of irrelevant or erroneous information, hallucinations. Option C. To increase the computational cost by always using the longest possible prompts. Option D. To ensure Claude adheres to specified constraints and formats. The correct answer is to increase the computational cost by always using the longest possible prompts. Here's the explanation. Prompt optimization aims to decrease computational cost by minimizing token usage for desired outputs, not to increase it by using longer prompts. The other options are direct goals of prompt optimization. Question 5. A developer wants Claude to explain its reasoning process step by step before providing a final answer to a complex problem. Which prompt optimization technique would be most effective for this purpose? Option A. Role-playing/persona assignment. Option B. Few-shot examples. Option C. Chain-of-thought prompting. Option D. Output format specification. The correct answer is Chain of thought prompting. Here's the explanation. Chain of thought prompting explicitly encourages Claude to think step by step or show its reasoning process, which often improves the accuracy and logical coherence of complex tasks. Question 6. Prompt optimization is described as a continuous feedback loop. What does this primarily imply about the process? Option A. Claude automatically optimizes prompts without human intervention. Option B. The prompt is adjusted based on observed outputs, aiming for maximal alignment between user intent and Claude's generation. Option C. Prompts are designed once and never changed after initial deployment. Option D. Claude provides feedback directly to the user on how to improve their prompt. The correct answer is, quote, the prompt is adjusted based on observed outputs, aiming for maximal alignment between user intent and Claude's generation. Here's the explanation. The continuous feedback loop signifies an iterative process where a prompt is tested, Claude's output is evaluated, and the prompt is refined based on observed discrepancies to achieve the desired performance and alignment with user intent. Question 7. In the context of large language models like Claude, what does the term hallucination refer to? Option A. The model's ability to generate highly creative and imaginative content. Option B. The model generating content that is plausible sounding but factually incorrect, nonsensical, or fabricated. Option C. The model's difficulty in understanding complex or ambiguous user prompts. Option D. The model's tendency to repeat information it has previously generated in a conversation. The correct answer is, quote, the model generating content that is plausible sounding but factually incorrect, nonsensical, or fabricated. Here's the explanation. The Overview section defines hallucinations as the phenomenon where the model generates content that is plausible sounding but factually incorrect, nonsensical, or entirely fabricated, stemming from the probabilistic nature of LLM text generation. Question 8. Which architectural pattern is considered a primary and highly effective strategy for grounding Claude's responses in external, verified, and up-to-date data to reduce hallucinations? Option A. Fine-tuning the Claude model with a larger dataset. Option B. Implementing retrieval-augmented generation, RAG. Option C. Increasing the model's temperature parameter to encourage creativity. Option D. Relying solely on chain of thought, prompting without external data. The correct answer is implementing retrieval-augmented generation, RAG. Here's the explanation. The key features components and how it works sections, as well as the exam tips, explicitly identify retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, as a powerful architectural pattern where Claude's generation is augmented by information retrieved from an external, authoritative knowledge base, thereby grounding its responses. Question 9. An enterprise is building a Claude-powered Q&A system for its internal HR policies. They want to ensure Claude provides accurate answers directly from their proprietary documents and avoids making up information. Which combination of strategies would be most effective in reducing hallucinations in this scenario? Option A. Increasing Claude's creativity settings and relying on its vast general knowledge. Option B. Implementing a strict system prompt to always be helpful and fine-tuning Claude on general HR topics. Option C. Utilizing retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, with their HR documents and enforcing tool use for specific data lookups. Option D. Limiting Claude's context window to prevent it from accessing too much information. The correct answer is utilizing retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, with their HR documents and enforcing tool use for specific data lookups. Here's the explanation. This scenario directly aligns with the Enterprise Knowledge Base Q&A system use case for RAG, which grounds Claude in verified documents. Combining this with tool use for specific data lookups ensures factual accuracy and prevents Claude from inventing information, making it the most effective strategy for this purpose. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel